The Postojna Cave is known as the Queen of the Underworld. It's a 2-million-year-old cave system and it is jaw-dropping. Postojna Cave is the largest cave we have ever toured. When you enter, they give you the opportunity to rent a coat. They warn you about how cold it is. The huge caverns are some distance from the entrance, but they have a small train system that transports you back to the walking area. We traveled on the train for about 15 minutes before entering a huge open cavern. Prejumont Castle is the largest cave castle in the world. This dramatic medieval castle is perched in the middle of a 5,000-foot high cliff. Gangjaes Tower, located in the stunning region of Brda, is a great place to visit for a 360-degree view of rural Slovenia. Brda, with its rolling hills, vineyards, charming old villages, will remind you of Tuscany. This tower was built to commemorate the death of the 315 local victims of World War II. Our guide Matic of Ride Around Tours took us to a winery called Eddy, Simpson. The winery is located in western Slovenia, right where Slovenia and Italy border each other. This region is noted for their white wines, but they make great red wines as well. The atmosphere at this winery is very friendly. We felt like we were drinking wine in somebody's home.